Good morning, everyone. I'm Ryan of Grade 7 Aster on this National Science Day celebration to show you about the properties of conductors and insulators. Any object that conducts electricity is a conductor. Objects that do not conduct electricity are called as insulators. Electricity is also known as the flow of electric charges. So, this experiment is going to show you about the difference between conductors and insulators. I invite Diksha to show you. Take the probes and touch them. As you can see, when the probes touch the conductors, it aids the movement of the water through the pump which is below the thermocol, aiding the rotation of the turbine. Now, when the probes touch the insulators, it does not work because the insulators do not conduct the electricity. Thank you.